to retrieve. Ball out up the left side. Here come the Hurricanes back into the Flyer zone. D'Angelo back across. Score! Mason! The Hurricanes are on the board.
Flyers about 45 seconds prior. Couturier turns down a breakaway pretty much. And then watch this pass by Tony D'Angelo. And Nason does exactly what you need to do. Top shelf, no chance for Hart. Looks like crossbar and in.